What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Got another travel vlog for you. We are in Universal over in Los Angeles. We just flew into Burbank. I'm actually here for work, but we are right next to Universal Studios, which we'll be going to at the end of the week. I'm here all week, so I'm going to take you on a little bit of a tour of the Universal Sheraton, which is where my work is holding their event, but it is just steps away from Universal. So if you're thinking about coming to Universal Studios, this is a very prime spot to stay at. I haven't been here in a very, very long time, so let me just show you my room that I've got, and then we'll take you around the hotel, show you our little travel vlog that we've got for this week. All right, so I'm about to show you the room, but this is the second closest hotel to Universal Studios, with the Hilton being the closest, but this one is still a really short walk, which I will show you towards the end of the video. Okay, so we are in room 2017, close to the top floor. This is one of their rooms with the king-size bed. These rooms aren't super big, but upon walk-in, you get a little transparent closet here, some extra bedding up top, a little safe down below, some storage, your ironing board, all that normal stuff. Over here, we've got just a little bit of a coffee machine, and then this looks like it is a little mini fridge. So if you need to store your stuff for the parks, and then some complimentary waters, some more storage, I believe. Yep, storage drawers. So this is your entryway, your walk-in. Everything looks like it's been updated. It is pretty modern. And then you find the light. Where is the light for the bathroom? Here it is. So this is your bathroom. So there is no bathtub, but this is just your standard room here. Really nice looking shower. Again, nice glass doors. I believe they redid things. There's your soaps there. A bigger shower head that's nice and tall for you folks who are tall. Little handle there. And then there is all of your bathroom amenities that you would need. Pretty small sink setup, but probably you don't need much if you're coming here just to visit Universal Studios. Here is the room itself. So king size bed. I believe this is I thought it was a pull-out sofa bed. I believe it is. Yeah, so this one is, I'll double check, but I believe it is a sofa bed when I booked it. Not that I will need it or anything. Some of the rooms do have the double bed configuration, but it's just me, so I didn't really need that. Okay, so I think I figured out how the pull-out bed works. You've got the little access to it up top. I don't know what that is. That's dirty. But it looks like all of this unfolds, and things will pull out to make a bed. Obviously, I'm holding the camera with one hand, but this bottom part will pull out, and then this will fold down to make this one big flat surface. I guess that's not like a true sofa bed, you know, where you actually pull everything out of here, but it looks like this does definitely extend can turn into another sleeping situation. So if you need that, that is there, or just book the room that has the 2-bed configuration in it. And I should probably read. Here's the instructions for the sofa bed. So looks like they are well prepared for people not knowing how to do the sofa bed, which took me a minute to figure out. Yeah, so a little info about Universal Studios. Pretty excited to go there. I haven't been there in a long time, but here's your desk setup. Plenty of room. Smaller TV than I'm used to in these types of rooms, but always excited about the big bed. Satisfy your cravings. We've got info about what you can eat here. It looks like they've got grab and go, lobby bar, outdoor restaurant, and then room service. So this also has good access to CityWalk, which is kind of like their version of downtown Disney. But here's another reading light in the headboard. Tiny little nook here for seating. Some old school artwork here. And I don't really have the greatest view, but I believe if you were on the other side, you would be able to see Universal over that way. The Hilton also is really, really close and within walking distance. It is right there, and I believe this is another hotel down there. But let's take you on a tour of the rest of the hotel. Good morning. So it is the morning of day 2. It is pretty early before I've got to get ready for some work stuff, but I wanted to give you a little update on the room now that you've seen it and I've slept in it for one night. A little bit stuffed up because I had that AC really running, but it is a queen-sized bed, so I did say king, but I am wrong. But you can get a king in some of their other rooms. Also, the road noise last night, my side is right next to the freeway, so it was quite noisy. So yeah, just be mindful of that when you come here. The room was pretty comfortable. It was nice. It was everything I needed it to be. I mean, you stay here because it is right by Universal Studios. Like, I am walking over to their CityWalk right now, where you can get to Universal. There's also a free shuttle that leaves all the time. So I'll be going there towards the end of the week, but just wanted to pop in here, give you a little bit of an update, and yeah. So if you're walking to Universal, you got to go down this huge hill. This hill that feels like I might go falling down. And then you got to walk up this way. So the hotel is just up there. And you just need to walk right across. And you can see a little minion up there. So a little bit of a walk. Like I said, there's also a free shuttle if you also want to take that. But let's head over to Universal CityWalk. There's also the option of staying at the Hilton, which I had almost booked for one night, but it is pretty close as well, within walking distance. So this Hilton is actually pretty close. It might even be easier and closer than the Sheraton because you come right out here, and this is the walkway to the theme park, CityWalk, and everything else. So we're gonna keep walking and explore.